Be honest with yourself for a second. How many times this week did you wake up when you planned to? Not when the third alarm forced you, not when you were already late, when you actually planned to. For most people, the answer is zero, and it is not because they do not want to wake up early. They do. They set the alarm with full intention every single night. They genuinely mean it when they say tomorrow will be different, but tomorrow comes, and it is never different. Not because they are weak, because they are missing the right system. And in this video, I am going to walk you through all 5 steps, one by one, so that by the time you set your alarm tonight, you already know exactly what to do differently. 1. Have a strong reason to wake up. Most people fail to wake up early because they have nothing waiting for them in the morning. No goal, no purpose, no reason strong enough to pull them out of comfort. So when the alarm goes off, staying in bed always wins. Tonight, think about the version of your life you want. Then ask yourself, is staying in bed going to build that life? Let that answer pull you up tomorrow. When your morning has a purpose, your body moves before your mind even argues. Purpose is not just motivating. It is the most powerful force that gets a man out of bed. 2. Sleep at the same time. Every night, most people try to fix their mornings without fixing their nights. They want to wake up at 5 a.m., but they are still scrolling at midnight, still watching one more episode, telling themselves just 5 more minutes, and then they are surprised when getting up feels impossible. You cannot win the morning if you already lost the night. Choose a sleep time tonight. Treat it like a rule, not a suggestion, non-negotiable, every single night, because the man who controls what time he sleeps controls what time he rises, and the man who controls his mornings controls his life. 3. Avoid phone before bed. Most people hand their mind to their phone the moment they get into bed. They scroll until their eyes close, and they think that is relaxing. It is not. Every scroll sends a signal to your brain. Stay awake, stay alert. There is more to see, and by the time you put the phone down, your mind is too wired to properly rest. Put the phone in another room 1 hour before bed. No exceptions. A rested mind wakes up hungry. An overstimulated mind wakes up exhausted. Choose which one shows up tomorrow morning. 4. Prepare your morning plan at night. Most people waste the first hour of their morning just figuring out where to start, what to wear, what to eat, what to work on. Every small decision drains the energy that should be going into work that actually matters. The more you have to think in the morning, the less you actually get done. Tonight, eliminate every unnecessary morning decision. Lay out your clothes, plan your first task, know exactly what tomorrow looks like before you close your eyes. When you wake up with a plan already waiting, you stop drifting and start moving immediately. 5. Avoid heavy meals late at night. Most people blame their alarm for their bad mornings, but the real problem started 3 hours earlier, at the dinner table. A heavy meal late at night does not just affect your digestion, it destroys your sleep quality. Your body spends the night processing food instead of restoring energy, and you wake up feeling drained before the day even starts. Eat your last meal at least 2 hours before bed. Keep it light, keep it simple, because the man who sleeps well wakes up well. It is that straightforward. Most people will watch this and still hit snooze tomorrow morning. Do not be most people. You now have everything you need. A reason strong enough to get up, a sleep time you will actually stick to, a phone that stays out of your bedroom, a morning already planned before your eyes close, and a body that is rested and ready. That is the system. It is not complicated, but it requires one thing most people never give themselves: a decision. Decide tonight that tomorrow morning is going to be different. Not because you feel motivated, because you have a system that works. Set the alarm, trust the system, and get up when it goes off.